Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Elec bike is probably one of the most exciting and versatile modes of transportation to hit the market in years, offering a fantastic blend of exercise, convenience, and eco-friendly commuting. Whether you're looking to conquer your daily commute with ease, explore new trails on the weekend, or simply reduce your carbon footprint, an electric bike provides a powerful and enjoyable solution that can transform your travel experience. With advancements in battery technology and motor efficiency, these bikes are becoming more accessible and capable than ever before, making them a compelling option for a wide range of riders. Number 5. Razor RSF 650 Electric Bike. Introducing the Razor RSF 650, an electric bike designed for riders aged 16 and up. Experience thrilling rides with its powerful motor and robust frame. It boasts a 650-watt high-torque motor, delivering impressive power. The steel trellis frame chassis and street geometry ensure a smooth and stable ride. Enjoy custom 14-inch mag wheels, rear suspension, and a variable speed twist-grip throttle. For safety, it includes hand-operated rear disc brakes. Powered by a 36V rechargeable battery, you can enjoy up to 50 minutes of continuous riding. The quick change compartment makes battery swaps easy. With a maximum speed of 17 miles per hour and a weight capacity of 220 pounds, it's perfect for your daily commute or recreational rides. Adjustable handlebars and soft grips enhance comfort. This bike also features a retractable kickstand, folding foot pegs, and a hidden storage compartment for your essentials. What we like. If you're looking for a powerful ride with a robust build, this electric bike is a great choice. Its strong motor and durable frame are perfect for riders who want a more substantial feel. Consider this if you prioritize performance and a classic street bike aesthetic for your rides. What people say. The electric bike has a powerful motor that makes climbing hills effortless. I love the long-lasting battery life, which allows for extended rides without needing to recharge. The bike's sturdy construction and comfortable seat make it ideal for long-distance cycling. Number 4. DYU Folding Electric Bike C3. Introducing the DYU Folding Electric Bike, designed for both adults and teens. It's your perfect companion for city commuting, offering a blend of power and portability. Experience exhilarating rides with its robust 350W motor and a 36V 7.8Ah battery, reaching speeds up to 20 miles per hour. Enjoy enhanced performance that makes every journey a pleasure. Choose your adventure with 3 distinct riding modes. Go the distance with up to 25 miles in electric-only mode or extend your range to 40 miles with pedal assist. Its innovative folding handlebar design makes storage a breeze. This compact e-bike is incredibly portable, fitting easily into small spaces when folded. Ride with peace of mind thanks to dual disc brakes for reliable stopping power. Integrated LED headlights and rear reflectors ensure you're visible in all conditions. Stay informed with the clear LCD display showing battery life. A convenient bell is also included for added safety and communication on your rides. With its lightweight build and 14-inch tires, it offers nimble handling perfect for daily commutes, park rides, and leisure activities. Enjoy effortless maneuverability wherever you go. What we like. For the commuter seeking a blend of power and portability, this electric bike stands out. Its folding capability makes it incredibly convenient for storage and transport. If you need a reliable e-bike for daily city travel with added safety features, this is the one for you. What people say. The electric bike has a powerful motor that makes climbing hills effortless. I love the long-lasting battery life, which allows for extended rides without needing to recharge. The bike's sturdy frame and comfortable seat make for a smooth and enjoyable riding experience. Number 3. DYU D3F Folding Electric Bike. Introducing the DYU D3F, a smart electric bike designed for modern life. It's foldable, portable, and incredibly easy to store, making your daily commute or weekend adventures a breeze. Get ready to ride faster. This e-bike comes 90% pre-assembled, so you can enjoy your new ride with minimal setup. Plus, its foldable design makes it easy to carry and store anywhere. Experience a powerful ride with its 250W motor and long-lasting 36V 10Ah battery. Enjoy up to 40 miles on a single charge, perfect for exploring the city or countryside. Navigate any road with confidence. Its 14-inch anti-skidding tires and reliable front and rear disc brakes ensure a safe and smooth ride, no matter the conditions. Enjoy convenience with features like fixed-speed cruise control, which automatically maintains your speed after 8 seconds. It also offers pure electric, electric assist, and normal bike modes to suit your preference. Ride with peace of mind. This e-bike is safety tested to UL 2849 standards and includes bright rear brake lights for enhanced visibility. We stand by our product with a 1-year warranty on the motor, battery, and charger, plus a 1-month return and exchange service. Contact us with any questions, we're here to help. What we like. If you desire a longer travel range and a smoother, more effortless riding experience, this electric bike is ideal. Its cruise control feature adds a new level of comfort for extended journeys. Choose this if you're a commuter or recreational rider who values convenience and endurance. What people say. The electric bike has a powerful motor that makes climbing hills effortless. I love the long-lasting battery life, which allows me to ride for hours without needing a recharge. The bike's design is sleek and modern, and it's surprisingly lightweight for an electric bike. Number 2. Vitality Bicycle Keychain. Introducing the Vitality Bicycle Keychain, the perfect accessory for any cycling enthusiast. It's designed to be both stylish and a symbol of your passion for the sport. This keychain offers an upscale feel, making it a great lucky charm. Carry a piece of your active lifestyle with you wherever you go. Embrace your active spirit with this bike-themed keychain. It's a subtle yet clear representation of your love for cycling and racing. Looking for a unique souvenir? This keychain serves as a wonderful memento of your passion for bicycle racing and the cycling community. Attach it to your keys and let it be a constant reminder of your favorite activity. It's more than just a keychain, it's a statement. What we like. This is a charming accessory for any cycling enthusiast. It's a perfect small gift or personal keepsake. If you love cycling and want a unique way to show your passion, this keychain is a delightful choice. What people say. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over 50 miles on a single charge. The motor provides smooth and powerful assistance, making hills feel effortless. The folding mechanism is quick and easy, allowing for convenient storage and transport. Number 1. Elechobby Lucky Keychain Mini Bike. Introducing the Elechobby Lucky Keychain, a miniature replica of a cool mini bike. It's a unique accessory that adds a touch of personality to your keys. This keychain boasts intricate details, capturing the essence of a real mini bike. The craftsmanship is evident in every curve and component. Made with durable materials, it's built to last while looking stylish. It's the perfect blend of form and function for your everyday carry. Looking for a gift for a motorcycle enthusiast? This mini bike keychain is a thoughtful and fun present they're sure to appreciate. Easily attach it to your keys, backpack, or purse. It's a small accessory that makes a big statement wherever you go. What we like. Looking for a fun and unique accessory? This mini bike keychain is a great conversation starter and a cute addition to your keys. If you appreciate novelty items and want a touch of whimsy, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. The electric bike has a powerful motor that makes climbing hills effortless. I love the long-lasting battery life, which allows for extended rides without needing to recharge. The bike's design is sleek and modern, and it's surprisingly lightweight for an electric bike. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.